Mabel, what in tarnations are Rick the Jerk?
Huh?
Rick the Jerk.
Steve Martin.
Who?
Steve Martin!
No, not that movie feller. The dingus on the view tube.
Huh?
The view tube. Hi, I'm... Yeah, I know. The name. Well, it was given to me by a friend who passed away shortly before I started my handyman business, Rick's Jerk of all trades. There's a whole origin story short for that. It's sad, it's sweet, it's mildly concerning. But yes, I am Rick the Jerk, and I've been here the whole time. I'm a handyman with too many side quests, multiple small business owner, recovering addict with a failed nonprofit under my belt. And I'm one of the lucky ones with ADHD polar superpowers from the lower working class. More than a dash of, I'll figure it out. Husband, questionably qualified. Girl dad, heavily outnumbered. Fumbling woodworker gone semi-pro under the moniker Good Job Woodcraft. Check that out. I used to do free work for people in need every couple of weeks. Then my wife and my baby got sick, my own health started to fail, and then I just had to stop for a while. Well, eventually that didn't sit right with me. So in mid-2025, burnout, broke, and clearly not thinking straight, I decided to start a YouTube channel at the suggestion of my pal Mac from Midwest Magic Cleaning. Around here, we're all about practicing random acts of kindness. I call mine RAK Jobs. In our first few months, we replaced a rotten roof for a local special needs advocate. We saved a collapsing bedroom in an in-home daycare center, and so much more. And we are just getting started. This isn't charity for clicks. This is showing up for our neighbors when they need us, getting our hands dirty, and proving that someone still gives a damn. Even jerks. I think I like this idiot.
Steve Martin's better.
You're drunk, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.
Well, I've been a wreck ever since the day you left, and I can't remember the last time that I slept. Minutes aren't enough when I am hours without your love. Yeah, I am like a dirty box, I have no depth.